Our slogan is Beyond Great Service, and we take that very, very seriously. And I think this is a prime example of beyond great service. When we get a call that a customer's not happy, whether it's our fault or not, we take those requests seriously and wanted to come back, get a roof on there that the customer's happy with. So we came by, we had samples, came by, showed, obviously it's a small sample size of what a full roof looks like, made selections off the boards, and obviously got it onto the roof.
By the time the roof was already on top of the house, it looked so odd, and then it completely was out of what I choose when I initially choose a roof color.
And we felt the homeowner deserves to be happy. This is most homeowners' biggest asset. So as a company, we talked and decided that let's put on a new roof for Sai. Let's make sure he's happy at the end of the day.
I was really amazed. I felt so happy, and I even shared information with my wife that we are going to get a brand new roof again.
The reason I'm confident in the IKO product line is we've had unbelievable experience from day one with IKO. Anybody we've worked with within the company has been fantastic. The product's been fantastic. It's the #1 shingle we put on homes. It's the one we trust and the one we want to keep moving forward with.
I would suggest Jordan and Calgary Roofing, the best choice for you. I'm really happy with the service, what they are providing.
Taking a negative situation and making it a positive, those are the wins in business.